Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the player controls in my summer car. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Press the escape button and then make sure you're in the player controls. Here you can assign player controls. As you can see, simply press the space next to the control you want to change and then press a new key to represent that control. I'll go back to W for forward. You can do the same for backward, left, right, use objects, jump, run, driving mode, zoom, crouch, reach, lean right, swear, gestures, hit, push, finger, urinate, hitchhike, smoking and wristwatch. Under other players control is the hand mode and car tool mode. Under other controls there is menu settings, which is currently under F1, escape, toggle HUD, toggle mirrors, reload car skin, TV camera. Under mouse controls there is rotate objects, fasten bolts, turn knobs. Under the scroll wheel, pick, drop, assemble, use, under the left mouse button, throw, disassemble, use, under right mouse button. Under mouse settings you can invert the mouse and change the sensitivity in the X and Y axis from 0 to 100. After you make your changes, simply press resume. And that's it! Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.